Hi friends, I'm Samasangania. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to unbox the smartphones named Samsung Galaxy A03 that government of Uttar Pradesh has given to many students, including me. So this is the good device box. So without wasting any time, let's get started. In front of the box, Galaxy A03 and the picture of the phone, Samsung branding, and this side some information like the MRP. It's 11,499 and adapter mobile phone, ejection pin, manual cable, etc. And this side Galaxy A03 branding again. This side IMEI number. This side my information of the college has written. Let's open the box. I am using this phone. Inside this there is a box. Let's open this out. Samsung SIM ejection pin was there, and inside this, let's see. I think the back cover will be, the back cover, user manual and warranty card, something. And now this is the phone, and this is the charger and micro USB cable. Only this is the issue. They must give a USB Type-C cable. Let's put out the charger and see the output cable first. Okay. Cable is of the good quality. Put the phone aside and let's see the slow charger. Anyway, let's head toward the phone now. Remove the wrap. How to, that's the way. I have already installed a tempered glass on the phone. It's not perfect because of the, this is the back, two cameras, 48 plus 5 megapixel flashlight, and this is made in India, proud feeling. And this is the front camera, 5 megapixel. This is the drawback, I think. And this side, volume rocker, power on off switch, and this side SIM tray, and this side secondary microphone, that's a good thing, and this side primary microphone, speaker grill, micro USB port, and headphone jack. Let's start the device. Samsung logo, Galaxy. Powered by Android. Let's see how much time it takes to boot the device. It's taking time, man. Come on. After all, it's the government phone. It's the nice step of the government that is providing smartphone to the every student in Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh Sarkar, and the logo of the UP government. Every student, I think, must be happy by receiving these phones. And the rumors was distributing the laptop, but not the only smartphone and tablet. The device has started now. Flashlight blinks when the call and message received. Let's draw the pattern. Device has starting Android. I have already installed in SIM card, Airtel 4G. Let me remind you, this is the 4G phone, not a 5G one. The processor is P35, I think. I'm not sure 100%. This is the update of Android 12, I think, 490.71 MB. And let's see what we got inside this. I've already installed these apps like Facebook, Insta, WhatsApp, and Airtel thank you app. And what's written on the उत्तर प्रदेश में आदिम युवाओं को तकनीकी सशक्तिकरण हेतु टैबलेट एवं स्मार्टफोन वितरण योजना 2021-22. And let's go in the menu. What's Google Apps and I have you will get some bloatwares and some unnecessary apps. You can uninstall them. I have already installed them. And the swipe is I think 60 Hertz display rate, 60 Hertz. And let's go in the settings and some features here in the panel, like power saving, quick share, nearby share, for hotspot is there, Wi-Fi. I'm not sure the latest version is that or not. Portrait, do not disturb, eye comfort, Wi-Fi calling. Yeah, it has Wi-Fi calling. Okay, let's go in the settings now. Yeah, about phone, this is running on the Android 8.1 Oreo, I think. Oh no, 9 Pi. Okay, my bad. Yeah, no, Android 11. It's running on the Android 11, but it has the update of Android 12. I'll do it later. Galaxy A03 brand name, model name, and there's no much features you will get. This smartphone or tablet is only for the purpose of studying digital learning for the youth and the college and schools. So, and this wallpaper is non-removable. It will remain as it is because this is in the software. And don't try to do such things to remove this wallpaper. It can cause you a fine, or maybe this is not good for you. So let it be like this. And looking nice, there's no issue about that. And there is 2 SIM slots, 1 memory card slot, dedicated slot it has. And this is the Digi Shakti app, and already installed in it to continue the study in college or school. So this was the device. Let me open the camera, and there is no fingerprint sensor in this phone. This is the very necessary thing the government must give. I don't think what the engineers were thinking about making this phone. This is the very important thing, I must say. So anyway, the face lock is there. You can set up the face lock. The front camera, let's see how many modes in the camera app. Pro mode, panorama, food, night, hyperlapse, video, ultra wide angle. Yeah, wide angle camera working. 10x zoom. Okay. And and portrait mode is also there, and you can adjust the depth and the background. And front camera has, the front camera has also some features like food, panorama, pro, night, hyperlapse, and a video section. Yeah, the image is looking not bad. After all, this is not the only device the government is giving me. There are many more students. Let's capture the image. Yeah. Okay. That's different sound. Yeah, let's look. Image quality is decent, I must say. Yeah, it's good. Yeah, let's capture another one. See, not bad. It's good. You can post on social media and anywhere else. Yeah. So I'm coming soon with a full review of this phone after some days. So, and the fingerprints will spot it there. And let me install the back cover. It's a perfect fit, and the size is also not loose, not tight. Okay, let's play the video in this device. The display is TFT display, not the IPS one. IPS is better than this. Let's open the YouTube. This is the sound quality of the phone. 1080p pixels are there. And this is the quality of the video on the phone. Yeah.
Here comes the big dog. Like absolutely no other. You hear the roar of the crowd for Roman Reigns. You always say the most polarized WWE with the big dog ready to defend his yard tonight. And a very important night for Roman Reigns. Perhaps the most important night of Roman Reigns' career, because does he get another opportunity?
Hope you guys find the video useful. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for the latest updates and press the bell icon. Like the video, share the video, and comment down what you want to see in the next video.